Hi, I'm Matt and welcome to eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself and guides you through all areas of appliance maintenance. Now, is your Hotpoint oven getting too hot? Or maybe it's not getting hot enough. Now, this could well be a problem with your thermostat, otherwise known as a temperature sensor or temperature probe. You may also notice that your electrics are tripping when your oven is on. And depending on your model, there could also be an error code displayed on the digital display. F2, F3, F4 and F24 are all indicators that there is a problem with the thermostat. And in this video, I'll show you how to replace it. For this fix, you will need a 7mm spanner or adjustable spanner, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of safety gloves. And of course, you will need a new thermostat, which you can find a link to in the description below. Safety first. Always make sure you turn off an appliance and disconnect it from the mains before carrying out any work. The first thing you need to do is to relocate the oven, as you're going to need to access the rear and the top of the appliance. Then, using your Phillips screwdriver, undo the screws that hold the top panel of the appliance in place. Now, I've just put the safety gloves on as the edges of the oven can be very sharp. Once the screws are removed, you can lift up the top and move it away. Next, remove the rear panels by again undoing the screws. Now, this is where you should check the electric wiring connecting the temperature probe at the rear of the oven here, connected to the upper element, to the PCB. As your oven thermostat not working could be due to loose or disconnected wiring. Now, if you are looking at the appliance from the rear, it's on the top left behind the oven temperature dial, and of course from the front that's the top right. If it is detached, plug it back in and see if that has fixed the problem. However, if the issue persists, you will need to replace the thermostat part. To remove the thermostat or temperature probe, you first need to pinch the tab on the electrical connection on the PCB and pull out, and then very carefully drag the wire through either a hole in the foil at the top or, in this case, the aluminium tape. And then you can go ahead and unscrew the thermostat itself from the rear of the appliance. So the thermostat is actually connected to the rear of one of the pins from the upper element, and you need your 7mm or adjustable spanner to loosen the nut and then take off the nut and the spring behind. With the nut and spring removed, all you need to do is to remove the electrical connection from the element, and the temperature sensor is free. When ordering a new thermostat or temperature probe on the eSpares website, it's essential that you have your appliance's make and model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular machine. Now, if you don't know where to find the model number on your appliance, don't worry. Check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. To fit your new thermostat, slot it into the hole at the rear of the oven, making sure that it loops round the pin on the back of your element. Then you can fit your electrical earth wire connection on the back, push the spring into place on the pin, and then you can tighten the nut, again using your spanner. Now I've put the safety gloves back on just because my hands are getting near to the exterior panels here. Once your thermostat is in place at the back, gently and carefully feed the wire through the hole in the foil or the aluminium tape, and then you can plug it in to the PCB at the front. Make sure it's firmly in place. Now replace the back panel and screw into place. You can now refit the top of the oven. Again, be careful with the edges as it's particularly sharp. Once it's in place, refit the screws. So there we have it, how to replace the thermostat on a Hotpoint oven. Hopefully your machine is heating correctly once more. Now, check out our video down here on how to clean your oven, and of course head over to the eSpares website where you can see our range of cleaning products. And of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things appliance maintenance, repair guides and much more. Thanks for watching.